Please, little girl, just take a bite. Because you know I'm about that slow trouble.
I took a pill in Ibiza.
Rockets, rockets. Finest girl I ever met in my whole life. Wanna take her home, make her my wife. Knew she was a freak when she started talking. She said, fuck me like we fucked Bin Laden. Whoa, that girl was a freak. She said she didn't want me to fuck her harder than the military. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. She was a freaky kind of girl, kept up for current events around the world. More specifically, one event. The time Osama Bin Laden got shot in the head. She said, do me like that, but I couldn't track the metaphor. That said, I can see you horny like a stegosaur. That said, again, your request is so irregular. She put on a beard, I started looking at the exit door. Then a turban, then a tunic. She said, and babe, I came with a special unit. I said he wasn't in the game, but there was no stopping. She demanded that I fuck her like we fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. This girl requested intercourse to bring a climax with the clinical efficiency of the assassination of Bin Laden. You're offering a fugitive. That ass, and my justice will be punitive. I'm a smash. Night vision, they can see us through my GoPro. She tried to negotiate. I said, no. Now I'm creeping in her bedroom like, go. She tells me to go. Down and says, I gotta terrorize that pussy. Gotta terrorize that pussy. So I provide some crazy shit. SEAL Team 69. She said you finished me off, now throw my body in the ocean. I yelled your rock and roll and took some pictures for posting. The president called, he said congratulations Connor. I said Mr. President, what do I owe his honor? He said come give me the deets in the White House garden. I guess to know how you fucked her like me. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. I still can't say that I see the appeal, but you wanna be fucked like we fuck Bin Laden. This girl insisted that I went in her person exact just like an Afro famous Italian. Osama Bin Laden.
He's got the body of an hourglass, and you can start it up anytime. Stand up like a soldier, baby. Yeah, I know you been like that. Put it like a one-star, baby. Show them say you're wicked like that. We live with a war's religion. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me.